turn it. Turn, let me see.
It's me that cook this
Which
food.
cook? Which you that cook?
I'm the one that cook this food. Mom is my assistant. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Olivia and today I'm back to another video. So in today's video, that's Queen, my mommy.
Hello guys.
And today we are going to cook spaghetti. Yummy spaghetti with tomatoes.
Yes. Tomatoes and meat.
Tomatoes and meat.
And beef meat.
So the water is boiling. Mommy is cooking the meat when we start putting the salt.
So put the salt. Put the salt in the water.
Okay.
Put the salt in salt in the water. Use spoon. Put the salt in the water.
That's only for.
Use big spoon.
Okay. Take one spoon.
No, that's take spoon. Take another. Take
A big spoon.
yes.
Yes, I do want to.
Yes. Put that one.
Look like grandma.
So when you added this.
Now she turn.
No, you don't have to turn it. You have to bring spaghetti. What happened? We have not even started. What are we going to do? Last time I told you how to cook it.
It's
You
true.
do remember? Okay. What are we going to do now? What
Okay,
is the
now
next
we take the spaghetti. I'll take the long one or the small one.
No, anyone wants to take.
I'll take the long one.
Okay.
8 minutes. From this 8 minutes.
8 minutes. Okay.
Let's take it
Now we're going to divide the spaghetti in three.
in 3 parts.
In 3 parts. Yes.
So I'm taking my first part. Ready, set. Well, do it in 2 and 3
In
sides.
3.
In 3 sides.
Okay. Let me help you. Do the spaghetti. Divide it like this. Divide in 3 because of you people. So Daniel can be able to eat
Eat
it.
it well. Now I'm going to try.
Guys, you see how Olivia is making
I'm struggling. Finally, 1.
It's okay, don't put that one. It's not your own is only 2 because
At this time, you'll be able to divide.
no. You should your hand. So we should put, what are we going to put? Add oil.
Oil.
Come inside, Sophia. Add oil.
Okay.
So the spaghetti will not stick together.
Smells good already.
Smells good already. So we have to make the light. What happened?
What is this? Spaghetti, no, fire.
So let the light come up.
Wow, it's yellow. Now you, fire. Let's do box.
Oh yeah, start putting the salt. You are putting the
Yeah,
salt.
I'll put the salt of cooking
So
box.
if you have to put
Look where I reach. Charlie,
careful.
put
That
salt
salt will
in.
not fall down.
Put the salt
Put
in
the salt.
5 seconds.
No need 5 seconds.
In 5 minutes. Okay.
So today is Carnival, guys. Carnival. Italian Carnival.
Not only Italian, the whole world.
No water.
Yes, mommy, the famous one is in North America, where Brazil is doing a
In
enormous
Brazil.
carnival.
Okay. Brazil is not North America. Brazil is South America.
South America too. Because in North America there's Canada. I still have enough space. I'm not a dirty woman.
You know,
I call myself woman, mommy.
you're not a woman, you're a baby.
Me, baby.
Baby Olivia.
Me, baby Olivia.
See, the way you're talking like baby Olivia already.
No.
No, I'm kidding. Guys, you hear Olivia?
No, guys.
So what are we going to do? Allow the what?
Water
To boil. To boil. We allow the water to boil. To boil. To. Then we now
release the
go and bring onions for me.
Yes, ma'am. The box is full.
Okay.
But it's remaining small.
Can keep it.
So the box is full, guys.
So guys, I'm cooking the meat. So I have to add salt.
This is only small. I could even use a smaller cup.
Huh?
Look how small it is.
Yeah, let me add. I have to add salt in the meat already. There is no water in the meat yet. Open the.
Yeah. This is Korean.
No. Now what is that? What is that?
Maggie
Okay. So open it for me.
is yellow.
It's Maggie now. They know what is the name.
Maggie?
Maggie.
Maggie?
Maggie.
Maggie.
You know somebody's name is Maggie.
What's name?
Somebody's name. Some people answer Maggie.
Oh?
Just leave it. If you find that you on the tap, leave it.
Mommy, but if I do like this and put it, because it's not easy to cut. Mommy, this look
Later we're going to add pepper.
this look like magic. Pepper what?
Yes. Pepper what? Olivia don't eat pepper. Pepper food.
I'm allergic to pepper.
I'm allergic to anything.
Because when I smell pepper,
Come and put this in the trash.
my eyes be red and I'll start crying.
And you're not allergic to cake.
Cake is my best friend. Mommy, I don't like spices.
I own you.
You know what I'm doing?
What are you doing? You say hello. I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing?
I'm preparing myself.
For what? To test one. Guys, this game. To test only one this thing. One spaghetti to see if it's
I'm
ready.
preparing myself. Look, I'm preparing myself.
Come and test if it's ready. Get out the fire away. You take it now.
No.
You don't have to test if it's ready. It's one spaghetti. Yes. Why are you putting it there? Let's be ready so we can start. What are you doing? You're giving my this thing to eat now. What is wrong with you? It's only one. You eat pepper and join me together with the spaghetti. It's what they are doing. Give me my this thing too. So, is it ready?
Now we are going to pour the water away.
Yeah.
So we are going to pour the water in this white thing.
Oh,
Delicious.
Our kitchen is on fire.
I love you.
Our kitchen is on the fire.
I love you.
Let's go.
Fire.
So short. Not the color. Someone has put their eat. You never have something. Come on, open. Come on, open. This girl is not serious. You don't think what's spaghetti. They are doing like this. Okay, see what to get back to. I don't want spaghetti. You make a chocolate cake. You don't want to chocolate cake.
No.
So guys, the meat is getting ready. No, it's ready. It's getting ready.
Getting ready.
So what am I going to do?
Bring it out and put it in plates and
No.
eat.
I'm cooking. Olivia is here. It's eating my food. Eating my food. You are not paying. You're supposed to pay. When you eat, you pay.
Mom, I don't have to pay because I'm the second chef.
Which second chef? Did they eat when they're cooking? You only taste it. You don't eat again. I stop eating.
Guys, this is delicious.
So guys, when the meat is ready, I'm going to add vegetable oil. Not every time you fry things. Pour from there. Not every time you fry things. I don't normally fry always. Slowly. Put on. It's not for you to come and do the voiceover, telling them what I'm going to add. They are there. Eating white pasta.
Eating what?
I see. Tell them that I saw you. I saw you eat now.
Yes, eating.
So I'm going to add the tomatoes.
I'm eating. Okay, so my mommy is adding the tomatoes in the mix so that she can mix it. Then she add curry and salt. It's not. And then green pea. So they'll just mix together. The Maggi cube is brown, but the Maggi rectangle, curry is yellow, like curry. Smells delicious.
Smell delicious.
Our boss will like it.
You the boss of that.
Yes.
Remember, we're going to do some challenge. Who sang it? Ewo. Now for the body. Two for the body.
Give me another day.
Okay. You're going to do some challenge.
One word, body.
Let's ask. Come and stand there. Ewo. Now for the body.
Two for the honey. 3 for 3 in the honey. 4 for 4 in shake the bum. See? And everybody put it on into in the
I think I want to twerk for you people. You should watch my baby girl twerk.
Then I can do Fortnite dance. I don't know how to do this one.
The one Kalisa is doing.
Yes.
Okay. You fall down though.
Look at this one.
Cooking with Olivia is funny. I always cook with her every time, but today I decided to video it so people can see how funny she is.
Test. We give you test for all you
have done in
life.
We are so grateful
for all you have done. Oh Lord,
we give you
thanks.
Imela.
Imela chini obioma. Imela ete Jesus. Imela oni marise. Imela chini obioma. Imela. Let me say the English version.
What's the English version?
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, Chineke.
Thank you, my God.
Thank you, my God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Bulia.
Elu.
Bulia haya.
Elu.
Jehovah kachasi madunine.
Elu.
Oye kero wakachasi madunine.
Elu. English version. Lifting up higher. Lifting up higher. My God is good. I'm lifting up higher. Anywhere I go lifting up higher.
The stew is getting ready. They will still allow it to dry up.
Dry up.
They still going to allow it to dry up.
Okay.
The rest off.
We nobody know.
Guys, look at our stew.
Oh my God, our stew smells so good.
Look at our stew.
Eat green please.
With green beans. Oh.
Give me.
Normally I used to put red pepper, onion.
Don't put red pepper.
Wait. Red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper. But today I started to cook it like that. Before Olivia will run away from the kitchen.
It's true. I'm on a diet. Look at my tummy.
Come
Look at my
on,
tummy.
What happened?
I
Look
look
at
like a man.
which diet?
I'm on a diet for
Oh. Food is ready.
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 Look at my own
Try and
master.
turn it. Let me
It's
see.
me that cooked this.
Which cook? Which you that cook? Oh, right,
I'm the one that cook this food. Mom is my assistant. I'm cooking. I'm the one that cooked this food.
So guys, look at the food is here. Olivia is trying to turn it.
Struggling again.
Struggling. Somebody that cook food is struggling to turn the food that she cook. How do you see? Have people seen that kind of thing before? You turn it like this.
I'm not a real chef. Suspect me,
guys. Look at the spaghetti. So we are going to eat a whole pot of. Pot of. Whole pot of. How do you speak it? You know the one that speak American to us.
Hey guys, I'm Olivia and I'm back with another video.
So guys, this is
almost American.
Oh, this is how nice it is. Whoa.
So practically in today's video we are going to do spaghetti. Some spaghetti.
So guys, come and join us.
Where's that? Wow. Mommy, you really smell so good, but put this more.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Like,
share, comment, turn on your notification button.
so you can't miss any video.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye guys. Bye.
See you in the next video.
Let's eat.